Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball Legends error code CR032767-4374. The error reads, "An error has occurred." As per our research, the error comes when users try to participate in an event using the website, especially when scanning the QR code or using more than one friend. The error prevents users from completing the process and displays this code. According to our research, the error is likely caused by incorrect code entry, including issues like missing characters or using capital letters. It can also happen due to outdated game versions or temporary glitches. The first thing we suggest is to double-check the code you are entering for the QR scan. Make sure you haven't missed any letters or numbers. Once corrected, try again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, ensure that there are no capital letters in the code. The code should be entered exactly as required. So try this and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, restart your device and try scanning the QR code again. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, check if your game is up to date. If there's an update available, install it and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.